Everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas.
'Twas the eve of the party, calm, warm, and bright, and the house glowed with promise on this winter night. The decor lay in bundles with ribbons and pine, awaiting the joy that soon would entwine. First came the tree, standing noble and tall, its branches soft whispers of winter through the hall. I dressed it in ornaments sparkling and bright, till the whole room was glowing in soft golden light. Next came the linens, all snowy and clean, draped over the table in a soft satin sheen. Then down the table a garland I laid, with evergreen branches and white flowers displayed. The tiered trays followed, set neatly in place, awaiting the teas and the treats they'd embrace. Then gold-trimmed teaware in shimmering rows, catching the twinkle of lights as they glowed. Many pine trees were placed, little forests of cheer, bringing a whisper of wintertime near. Candles and votives of gold took their stand, casting warm flickers like magic on hand. Gold flatware next, polished bright as the dawn, lending a warm little sparkle to linger upon. And last came the florals, white roses serene, snow-petaled blooms in an evergreen scene. Each detail fell softly in holiday grace, a warm winter wonder wrapped the whole space. Then over to the kettles I went with a glide, for the heart of a tea party bubbles inside. Winter white Earl Grey was the first to be steeped. The soft citrus perfume through the kitchen soon seeped. Next came the gingerbread festival brew, a black tea with spices that felt warm and true. It simmered with notes of molasses and cheer, a cozy embrace for the cold time of year. Then White Christmas followed, all gentle and light, with vanilla and almonds serene, softly bright, a snowfall of fragrance that drifted with ease, the quietest carol of Christmassy teas. Next came the menu, both festive and grand, a table of Christmas delights close at hand. First, savory dishes, so merry to see, Christmas tree deviled eggs standing proudly as trees. Ham mustard sandwiches, dainty and fine, and puff pastry sausage rolls, warm, savory, divine. For comfort and warmth, the scones took their place, hotel-style classics with old-fashioned grace, and eggnog scones besides them, tender and light, a seasonal treat on this wintry night. With clotted cream ready, so lush and supreme, and curd shining brightly with holiday gleam, the sweets shone the brightest, custard cream cookies brushed softly with gold. Snowman Truffles all bundled against the cold. And a tray of peppermint fudge, cut tidy and bright, its cool minty sweetness a crisp winter bite. White chocolate domes with a raspberry heart, in a red mirror glaze like a sweet work of art. Each crowned with gold leaf in a delicate show, a festive indulgence that shimmered like snow. When at last all was ready and each dish complete, I set out the table where loved ones would meet. The room hummed with magic, serene as could be, a promise of Christmas, of friendship, of tea. 'Twas the eve of the party, cozy and bright, and the home glowed with wonder that magical night. Thank you for joining me for this Christmas tea. If you enjoy seasonal inspiration, cozy home tea parties, and romantic, joyful living, remember to like and subscribe. See you next time, friends.